This is the train to
West 178th Street, George Washington Bridge Bus Terminal.
making stops at
Beach 25th Street, Beach 36th Street, Beach 44th Street, Beach 60th Street, Beach 67th Street, Broad Channel, Howard Beach, JFK Airport, Aqueduct-North Conduit, Rockaway Boulevard, 88th Street, 80th Street, Grant Avenue, Euclid Avenue, Shepherd Avenue, Van Siclen Avenue, Liberty Avenue, Broadway Junction, Rockaway Avenue, Ralph Avenue, Utica Avenue, Kingston-Throop Avenues, Nostrand Avenue, Franklin Avenue, Clinton, Washington Avenues, Lafayette Avenue, Hoyt-Schermerhorn Streets, J Street-MetroTech, High Street,
Fulton Street,
Chambers Street, Canal Street, Spring Street, West 4th Street, 14th Street, 23rd Street, 34th Street, Penn Station, 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal, 50th Street, 59th Street, Columbus Circle, 72nd Street, 81st Street, Museum of Natural History, 86th Street, 96th Street, 103rd Street, Cathedral Parkway, 110th Street, 116th Street, 125th Street, 135th Street,
145th Street,
155th Street, 163rd Street, Amsterdam Avenue, 168th Street, 175th Street,
and
West 178th Street, George Washington Bridge Bus Terminal.
the next stop is
Beach 25th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.